I can explain this very well here. Now, in this picture, these are the corundum rough stones. Corundum rough stones found in Sri Lanka. The white color one, white sapphire. This yellowish brown one is yellow sapphire. This one, pink sapphire or purple sapphire, pink or purple sapphire. This is called orange sapphire. This is a blue sapphire. So in sapphire family, there are 7 colors, rainbow colors. You know the rainbow. There are 7 colors there. What are the colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the 7 colors. And this is white color. Then white color also there with the sapphires. So there are 8 colors inside the sapphires. Then the sapphire, in sapphire family, we have to understand the Pleochroism. It is very important thing. Everybody is hiding this to the traders. So I need to give the real meaning. When we observe this kind of gemstones, when we observe a gem between our eye and the light source, we can turn this gemstone 360 degrees, turn around.